Welcome, my dear students of class 9. This is your math class of day number 24. In this class, I am going to discuss your exercise 7.2 of your NCERT book, having page number 123. So, please open your NCERT math book, page number 123. Okay. First read the questions, then try to understand above answers. Okay. Number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisector of B angle and C angle intersect each other at O. Join A to O so that, mark here. So here is an ABC isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal with AC. The bisector of B angle and C angle intersect each other at point O. Join AO. Then we join here AO. We show that, mark here. So BO is the angle bisector of BO is the bisector of B angle and CO is the bisector of C angle. Okay. So first write here given in triangle ABC, AB is equal with AC. Bisector of B angle and C angle intersect each other at point O. Bisector of B angle and C angle intersect each other at point O. Given complete. Then to prove the first bit you just mark here. OB is equal with OC, and second bit here AO bisect A angle. AO bisect A angle. Understand this? Okay. Then come to proof. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC because given in an isosceles triangle equal side का opposite angles are equal. As AB equal to AC, so B angle is equal with C angle. B angle is equal with C angle. Okay. So as B angle is equal with C angle, you can write. So half of B angle is equal with half of C angle. As half of B angle equal to half of C angle implies half of B angle either you take ABO or OBC. So you take here OBC angle. Same process, half of C angle you write ACO or OCB. You write here OCB angle. Okay. OBC angle is equal with OBC angle is equal with OCB. And in triangle or reverse theorem say you know that if angles are equal, then equal angle ka opposite sides are equal. So that's why in triangle OBC, OB is equal with OC. OB equal to OC. Confirm this. Now in triangle AOB and triangle AOC we have that. Okay. Because in this above figure, first you write here AO is equal with AO because common. OB equal to OC you get here proved one. Okay. So AO equal to AO common. Second option देखो BO is equal with CO because before proof we already proved this. And third bit here, AB is equal with AC because given. So by side congruence criteria. Okay. So by side congruence criteria. Side by congruence criteria. Triangle AOB congruent with the triangle AOC. As two triangles are congruent, so due to CP/CTC, the respective angles are equal. That means this angle equal to this angle. You write here due to CP/CTC, BAO angle is equal with the CAO angle. Implies AO bisect BAC angle. True. Confirm this. Okay. Then number 2. Number 2 question देखो. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. Mark here number 2. ABC. ABC triangle में AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. This one perpendicular also bisect this. We prove that AB equal to AC. First you write number 2 का given. In above figure, AD perpendicular BC and BD is equal to CD. As AD is the perpendicular bisector, so AD bisect BC. Confirm this. Given, complete. Then to prove, we have to prove that AB is equal with AC. AB equal to AC. Hence, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Given to prove complete. Then come to prove. Okay. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. In triangle ADB and ADC. First option, AD is equal with AD because common. Second option देखो, तो BD is equal with CD because given. Then third option here, ADB angle equal to ADC angle because of 90 degree. This one side, then this one angle, this one side. So by side angle side, so by side angle side congruence criteria, triangle ADB congruent with the triangle ADC. So by CP/CTC, तो AB is equal with AC. Here ABC is a triangle which two sides are equal. Hence ABC is an isosceles triangle. Proved. Okay. Next, number 3. Number 3 question देखो. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which the altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal side AC and ABB respectively, so that these altitudes are equal. Mark here, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. The altitude here BE and another here CF. This. Our aim to show that altitudes are equal. Okay. देखो, our aim to show that altitudes are equal here. First you write here given. In above figure, BE perpendicular to AC and CF perpendicular to AB. Then AB is equal with AC. AB equal to AC. Even complete. Then come to prove. These altitudes are equal. That means our aim to prove that BE is equal with CF. Given to prove complete. Then come to prove. Okay. देखो, in this case first you just try to take to in triangle ABC, you mark तो AB equal to AC. And in an isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to equal side are also equal. As AB equal to AC, so AB का front angle here C angle and AC का front angle here B angle is equal with C angle is equal with B angle. C angle is equal with B angle. Confirm this? Okay. Then you just take two angles. Mark here, this one B angle is equal with C angle. B angle is equal with C angle. Okay. This one angle, then right angle, hypotenuse. Again, in triangle BEC and BFC. Mark here, BEC and BFC are two triangles here. First option here, तो B angle ABE triangle, sorry BEC triangle में first here C angle is equal with B angle because B for proof. Okay. Then you write here in this case second option CBE angle is equal with BCF angle because of sum property. Okay. CBE angle means this angle is equal with BCF this angle because of sum property. Mark here. In these two triangles, this angle is already equal with this angle, and here this angle also this angle because of 90 degree. So by sum property, these two angles are equal. Then you write here. So then BC is equal with BC. Mark here. This is the common side. Common side के बाद इधर angle side then angle side angle. Okay. So by angle side angle congruence criteria, triangle BEC congruent with triangle triangle CFB or BFC, triangle BFC. BFC. Okay. So BEC congruent with BEC. BEC congruent with, so here B. CFB. CFB. Okay. So as two triangles are congruent due to CPCTC. Due to CPCTC, okay, BE is equal with CF. Proof. BE is equal with CF. Confirm this? Okay. Next, number 4. Number 4 question here. ABC is a triangle in which the altitude BE and CF, the side AC and AB are equal. देखो number का reverse here. This one ABC here triangle ABC. Altitude here BE and CF are equal. The side AC and BE and CF are equal. Then we have to show the first option given in above figure, in above triangle, so BE is equal with CF. Then to prove, we have to prove that first option triangle ABE congruent with triangle ACF. ABE congruent with the triangles ACF. Second option here, AB equal to AC. That means ABC is an isosceles. Okay, given complete, then to prove complete, then come to prove. Okay. देखो अब फर्स्ट एम हियर ए बी ई एंड ए सी एफ आर टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. देखो जब फर्स्ट कंडीशन गिवन तो बी एफ इज इक्वल विथ सी एफ और टू ट्रायंगल में बी एफ इज इक्वल विथ सी एंड सेकंड ऑप्शन हियर ए एंगल इज द कॉमन एंगल. ए इज द कॉमन एंगल and this right angle equal to right angle. Either you take here angle side criteria or you may take the angle side criteria also. So you write here in above figure A angle is common in triangle ABE and triangle ACF. A angle is the common in triangle ABE and ACF. Okay, all right, given देखो तो AEB angle is equal with AFC angle because of 90. So by some property of triangle. Okay, so ABE angle means this angle is equal with this angle. This angle is equal with this angle. ABE angle equal to ACF angle. Understand this? Now, in triangle ABE and triangle ACF, in triangle ABE and ACF, in these two triangles, in triangle ABE and ACF, first option here, the first option ABE angle is equal with the ACF angle because of before proof. And second option देखो AEB angle is equal with AFC C angle because of each of 90 degree. Next third option here, BE is equal with CA because given. So by angle side angle congruence criteria, triangle ABE congruent with the triangle ACL. Two triangles are congruent, so proved one. Okay. Second option here, due to CPCTC, AB equal to AC implies ABC is an isoscale triangle. Proved to 2. This one 1, this one 2 proved. Okay. Next number 5. Number 5. ABC and GBC are two isoscale triangle. A, B, C and D. This side. देखो क्वेश्चन here ABC and how to write here given. ABC and DBC are two isoscale triangle. Here AB equal to AC and BD equal to CD. Okay, given complete. Then to prove or to show. To prove. We have to prove that ABD angle is equal with ACD angle. Okay, बहुत easy question देखो. So here our aim to prove that ABD angle means this angle is equal with this angle. Given to prove complete, then come to prove. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. You know, in an isoscale triangle, the angle equal side का opposite angle also equal. As AB equal to AC, you can write ABC angle is equal with ACB angle. This equal because you write the angle opposite to equal side. You must write because. Okay. Again, in triangle BCD, okay, BD is equal with CD. So DBC angle is equal with DCB angle because angle opposite to equal side. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have get. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have get ABC angle plus DBC angle equal to ACB angle plus DCB angle. Okay. Now ABC plus DBC, you get here ABD angle. Same process ACB plus DCB, you get here ACD angle. Okay. Proved. Okay. Dear students, you need to practice above questions. Okay. Thank you.